We handle dog bite cases, and usually they're not too serious, but there was one case that I handled that was tragic. This was a case in a smaller rural town in Arizona. There was a family who, part of their family lived in a trailer, and another family member lived in another trailer, and they let their dogs go between the two trailers. These dogs were pit bulls, and the dogs would just routinely roam free. The dogs had gotten in several fights with other dogs on the street, and the police had been called and come out to stop the fights, or rather to talk with these people about monitoring their dogs and keeping them on leashes and making sure they're not roaming free. Well, a few houses down from these two trailers was a home where a young family resided, and two of their children were out front playing in the front yard. These dogs got free again and were allowed to roam free again. They came out, and one of the dogs grabbed a hold of the little daughter and started shaking the daughter around. The dad was inside the house and heard screaming going on from the younger child. This daughter was approximately 5 years old at the time, and this pit bull grabbed her and threw her around like a rag doll, ended up taking the life of this young girl. Well, the owners of the trailers didn't have a lot of insurance. In fact, they had none to cover this. But the town that this family lived in, the police had been warned numerous times, and the police had failed to take proper action. The city had failed to take proper action to make sure that these dogs were either tethered properly or were taken to another area where they could live and not be around families. Unfortunately, because of the negligence of the town, this young girl was killed, and so we were able to get a settlement against this town on behalf of this family for a lot of money.